We have 790 pieces to build the coolest fish trap ever.
Yeah, we got one.
100%.
You did not catch a fish in a Lego trap for real.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. La 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 la. La 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 la. How's it going? Good, good, good. So guys, today what we're going ahead and doing is gonna find something in Walmart to use as a fish trap. Yes, something we can use as a fish trap. So I'm making my way downtown, as you can see, to find out what we can use as a fish trap today. Gotta look around and see what we can do. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let's go on the other side. I just saw something that we can use as a fish trap. Oh my god, I think this could be insane. So guys, when we went ahead and passed the first aisle, and I saw something crazy. Are you ready to see this? Oh my god, hold on. Check this out. Legos. Yes, the Lego classic set. Oh, it's on special. 48 bucks. Dude, this is gonna be perfect for a fish trap. Has everything we need, right? Oh yeah, has everything. I think I have some stuff at the house as well. This is gonna be absolutely insane. Oh man. We need bait. So let's go ahead and head to the bakery and get the best possible bait there is. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at all of this bait. Now we just gotta find the right one. Oh yeah, look at that wall right there. We just made it. I think one should do for chumming and another one for the trap. All right, so let's go ahead and hop back in. Start the engine. Let's ride. All right guys, so we made it out here and I have my very, very good trusty friend Chandler's Wildlife.
What's going on, guys?
He's helping me out with these videos. We're gonna be doing some cool stuff in the future together, making these videos. Now, we have made it to the spot with our Legos. I have about 790 pieces to make, potentially, the coolest fish trap on YouTube. Now, I have what I need right here. I have my Nature's Own butter bread. You know what I'm saying? Butter. Everyone loves butter, you know what I'm saying? So, as well as the fish, it's a very, very good, well-known bait down here for us. So I have that, and I have this rope. I don't know if I'm gonna need the rope, but if I use this rope, it might be able to go ahead and pull back the trap here. I'm screaming because a lot of people go ahead and start mowing the lawn when I make videos. It's annoying. So anyways, now what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna build our fish trap together. Let's go ahead and get this going. So you guys can do this yourself. You saw where I bought it. Got it at Walmart, and Christmas time is coming, so if you want to get your kids something cool, Legos are pretty awesome. So with that being said, look at our stuff right here. We have a ton of things. We have 790 pieces to build the coolest fish trap ever. So here's our base, and here's, what are you doing?
I haven't played with Legos in a while. I just wanted just some, bro. You don't need all those Legos. Come on, bro. Don't be a hog.
Okay.
Fair
enough.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chandler, the video's over here. What are you doing?
Look at this guy. Look at him.
Oh my god. Always with the wildlife, huh? Alright, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and open up the pieces. Hopefully you don't lose many. This door might be big enough for small stickers and stuff like that. So what's really cool about that also is another door. And I think I'm gonna have a little lid on top, or actually have that be where the fish enter, and then have a door to close it so they can feel like they can escape, but they're not gonna escape. So let's get the building. All right, Slayers, so we're getting our trap on its way to looking absolutely awesome and perfect, guys. You guys can do this yourself. So as you can see, I have 2 areas that they can enter, but what I'm thinking about doing is putting these windows here. I think if I can find them, they look like this, little windows, and I'm gonna stick them in here if I can figure out how to do that real quick. and the door is gonna pretty much swing open on that side. You'll see in a second, guys. It's gonna be absolutely insane. All right, guys, so as you can see, and with the great help of my friend Chandler, we have completed our fish trap roughly, if I can get this through, just about that. So we're gonna go ahead and also, some pieces we reinforced with some Gorilla Glue. So unfortunately, like, this is like a one and done type of trap. So guys, as you can see, there's several little holes here. Now I think, and I chose this specific one to be where the fish make it through, and I'm gonna put a line here, and this is what I was talking about. I can close it here and keep it closed. Now also, I left these windows open here and some other spots and crevices like holes, so the bread can go ahead and disperse throughout the water, and that scent's gonna get in there, and all the fish are gonna be able to smell it and get inside. So we're roughly right about done. Now we gotta make a roof so nothing falls away. So we're gonna add this all across like that. Possibly we're gonna make it this way, kind of connect it right here. This is gonna be the you're not gluing this, we're not gluing this. This is gonna be the fragile part. Where are the other pieces I put away? So we're gonna just add everything here, close this puppy up, and we'll be on our way. So after very strategic planning, we now have a roof. And you know what's special about this roof? It also has Wi-Fi. What we're gonna go ahead and do is, now you're like, wait, how are you gonna get the bread in here and everything like that? What we're gonna do is, we're gonna grab this bread, untwist this, come on. Now we have our nice, good moist bread. So we're actually add some pieces in here, like so. So we're gonna add it, a couple pieces in here, just like that. That should be sufficient enough, but I'm also gonna chum up the water in a second. I'm gonna show you guys how many fish are actually in this pond right below. It's gonna be crazy. So this is perfect. I gotta also add my string, so when I pull the string, it will go ahead and close this door and nothing should be able to get out. This is a pretty good fish trap, if I say so myself. What do you think, Chandler?
Oh yeah,
Dude,
I like the
100%.
Wi-Fi.
I love the Wi-Fi. Don't forget password, Joey Slam, subscribe. Are you eating the bread?
Huh.
That's the bait.
No.
So after tying the string and everything correctly, you go ahead and just close the door just like that. So the fish will get in, no problem. Just make sure it's just still. Let the fish go in. As soon as they're in, boom, closed. Little jail cell, and we're all set to go with Wi-Fi. I'm proud of this. This was a pain in my rear, but it's gonna be worth it, guys. Let's see what we can catch. All right, so the best way to do this is once you go ahead and get your weight in there, just lodge it under something really good. There's a tube here. This is actually a, oh yeah, it's a pipe. It's a sewage pipe. A culvert, actually. So I'm gonna lodge this puppy right here, right behind this branch. Should work out pretty well. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, we have a missing part. So it's big and bright, as you can see, and look at it, it's completely lodged in. You see that? That's flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and chum them up and move them closer to our fish trap. All right, guys, we're gonna use our classic Lego bucket right here. Gonna fill some water out. That should be enough just for this specific purpose that I use it for. So I'm gonna grab some of this bread, dunk it in here, soak it, give it a good wash. Now it's very, 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 very wet. So it's gonna be like a bread explosion. And that's how we're gonna chum up our bait.
There's a lot of held in aggression right there.
Yeah, it was a really tough time building that trap.
I know, bro.
We have a couple mosquito fish and stuff like that. Now, unfortunately, you guys can't really see the fish coming. He'll come up to the top, like this guy, he's coming up. But Chandler's been giving me some help on my camera, and so have you guys. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and invest on the camera for Christmas. Dang it, I moved. So I have to be very still.
Oh.
See? So there's some big stuff. Watch. Oh, I'll take it every time. So we're just gonna wait. We have to stay quiet. And Satan over there decides to go ahead and mow the lawn during our video. I hate him. I hate him absolutely so much.
Not today, Satan!
So if you look closely, they're just eating and eating and eating. Bigger ones are on top right there, guys, right there. And that's what we're looking for. Some Mayans, some sort of cichlids that can fall through right there. There's a whole bunch. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to apologize for the lawn guy being here the entire time. So, we know he's evil. Put in the comments below how evil he is. What should happen? Shall we capture him with our Lego fish trap? But before we even get there, let's check out our Lego fish trap. So, we have fish around. We're still waiting. There's so many freaking minnows going on over there. Oh! Did you see that or no?
No.
Dang it. Oh, man. Wait, guys, we got one in. 100% we got one in. So I'm gonna close the door. See that? I don't know if you guys saw that, but the door's closed and now we're good to go. Dude, he went in there and he started moving around. Bro, we lost our Wi-Fi.
No!
We lost our Wi-Fi.
No!
That's why we missed it when it went in.
My Instagram feed!
Alright, let's see what we got.
No, careful, bro. Don't let that fall apart.
Yeah, stop. Oh,
He's in there?
Yeah, we got one. 100%.
You did not catch a fish in a Lego trap for real.
Yeah, 100%. Look, dude, I can't believe it.
What kind is it? Are you kidding me?
No. It's a good one. It's a nice size. Is what we're looking for. He's a little guy. He's small. Oh man, we're gonna have to dismantle our fish trap. All right, so we gotta continue to break all this apart, and then we're gonna add it when we gotta drop another one. But we got something here, right here. Yep. 100% we got something. This oh my gosh.
Oh, that's not a small fish, man.
No, it's a good bait. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. Oh, dude, I can't get him out. Hold on. Oh,
Are you kidding me? That's awesome.
Dude, this is amazing. Because if you can see, look at this door. Slips right in. He just slipped right in. Here, I'll show you guys again if I can get this guy out. He's absolutely destroying the fish trap right now. I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Look at that. Housekeeping. Slips right in, bro. It's a perfect fish trap. You just gotta be quick. Dude, they're blowing up right here. They're causing all this commotion. All right, little guy. See you later, alligator. All right, we're gonna go ahead and reset our trap, close it all perfectly, and see how many more we can catch. All right, so before I fall down into this pond, now as you can see, there's nothing in here. There's nothing in here right now. We're putting in our weight to help it sink. More bread pieces. That's a lot. Let's break it up for the little guys. We're gonna go ahead and chum up the waters one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and close this thing. Fortunately, we lost our Wi-Fi.
Uh-oh.
No.
Oh! No!
Be gone. First lawnmower.
Oh, he's so happy. He's wagging his tail.
He's cute.
He's happy.
You can
oh!
stay.
No, the fish are exploding right next to him.
All right.
He's actually helping. He's chumming it up for you.
Yeah, you're right. You know what? Let's go ahead and hurry up and get this fish trap inside. So, opening the door, saying welcome home. Everyone's welcome. And we're laying down our fish trap one more time. And hopefully Mr. Duck will be the reason why we get a whole bunch. Oh, we got bait. Look at all that. Look at that movement. There's so much stuff going on, guys, right here. Are we live? Oh yeah, we're live 95, guys. You guys can see that 100%, all that movement. Look at that. Right in front of our trap. Right in front of our trap.
Bro, one just swam out. You need to pull that out now.
Dude, I know, man. I just missed it. I was trying to get it, and I didn't know one was in there. You think there's any more in there? That thing just swam out, bro.
I don't know. Pull it out. There's one in there. He just got out. We missed it.
Oh, dude, I hope there's one in there. This thing's heavy here. Can you hold this thing? Guys.
Yeah, I don't want that in the
word
water.
of advice. Make sure every piece you actually put, besides the top, is super glued. Because you don't want to go ahead and infest the ecosystem with a whole bunch of Lego. Dang, man. We had one in here. I don't think there's anything in there. Oh, we got another one.
You kidding me?
No. Dude, I can't believe we just missed it. Oh my God. I was waiting until he went down.
Where is he?
Dude, he's right here. I'm breaking my trap.
Is he as big as the other one?
Dude, no.
Oh, he's smaller. He's a little
smaller.
baby.
He's a little cute little guy.